Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the mounting bracket in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx 20 screwdriver, and a pair of large pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new mounting bracket. The mounting bracket secures the dishwasher to the countertop. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it breaks or is missing. Open the door, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws that secures the dishwasher to the countertop. See if you can pull out the dishwasher a couple of inches without disconnecting the hoses under the sink and without adjusting the legs. If the legs are secured with the screws, loosen them up again using either the Phillips or the Torx 20 screwdrivers, and then screw the legs in, turning them clockwise using the large pliers. After the dishwasher is pulled out a couple of inches, use the Torx 20 screwdriver to take out the screw and leave the old mounting bracket off. This is the old mounting bracket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new mounting bracket on the dishwasher so the cutouts fits over the ribs and secure it with the Torx 20 screw. Push the dishwasher back under the countertop. Adjust the legs and secure them if they were secured with the screws. Install the access panel and secure it with the two Phillips screws. Open the door and secure the dishwasher to the countertop with the two Phillips screws. And close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.